Hello, welcome to Science Chomp. Today we're going to be looking at the carbon cycle. Now it's incredibly easy, so let's just get right into it. Carbon cycle is all about how, obviously, as the name suggests, carbon is cycled. Now we know that in the air we've got a whole load of carbon dioxide, and the formula for that is CO2. So this is in the air. Now we've got to think what puts carbon in the air and what removes carbon from the air. And the first thing is easy because we all know that animals breathe, right? So let's draw an animal. Let's draw one over here. Okay. This is an animal. And we're not going to call it breathing, we're going to call it respiration. Nice and easy, right? Now, on the flip side of this, you may have heard that plants absorb CO2 from the air in a process known as photosynthesis. Okay? But what plants also do is they respire, because all organisms respire, because all organisms need energy. Okay? Now, this isn't the only thing that happens. Also, animals can gain carbon from plants by eating them. And also humans come into this because eventually what happens is these organisms, they die. Death and decay. And over millions of years, they form fossil fuels. Now I'm going to represent that with this oil drum over here. And what we do with fossil fuels is we burn them. I'm going to write here fossil fuels. Fossil fuels, okay? And like I said, what we do with fossil fuels is we burn them. And we're not going to call it burning, we're going to call it combustion. Okay? So just to very quickly go over this. Okay, so we've got the carbon cycle, carbon dioxide in the air. Organisms respire and they put carbon into the air by producing carbon dioxide. Plants use up carbon dioxide in a process known as photosynthesis, and they use the carbon dioxide to make sugar and to grow. Okay? Plants get eaten by animals. Okay, eventually these things die, and over millions of years they turn into fuel, like coal and oil. Humans come along and we burn it in a process known as combustion, and we add carbon dioxide back into the air. It's as simple as that. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.